Ethan learned the truth about success on a night when the power got cut off. No dramatic music, no viral moment, just silence, a dark room, and a phone screen at 3%. He wasn't broke in a poetic way. He was broke in the kind of way where ambition feels irresponsible, where dreaming big feels like mocking your own situation. That night, Ethan made a decision most people never make. He stopped asking, "Can I do this?" and started asking, "What will it cost?" Because success doesn't come with motivation quotes. It comes with a bill, and it demands 8 things. The first demand was hard work. Not the Instagram version, not grinding for 2 weeks and calling it a comeback. Real hard work, the kind that doesn't clap back. Ethan worked early mornings and late nights. He learned after his shifts, studied when his brain was fried, and kept going when effort felt invisible. He realized something brutal. Talent might get attention, but hard work pays rent. Most people don't fail because they're incapable. They fail because they quit when effort stops being exciting. The second demand was patience, and this one nearly broke him. Ethan expected results fast because pain had already been slow. But success doesn't care about how long you've struggled. Weeks turned into months, months into years. No viral win, no overnight moment, just small progress nobody noticed. Patience taught Ethan a dangerous lesson. If you tie your belief to timelines, you'll give up right before things turn. Growth is quiet, and patience is how you stay long enough to hear it. Then came sacrifice. This was the part nobody warned him about. Friends stopped calling because Ethan was always busy. Weekends disappeared. Comfort became a memory. He said no to things he wanted so badly it hurt. Sacrifice showed him the truth people avoid. You can have anything, but you can't have everything at once. While others spent money to escape their lives, Ethan spent his energy building one. The fourth demand was consistency. Motivation faded. Discipline hadn't arrived yet. Consistency became the bridge. Ethan showed up on good days and bad days, on confident days and insecure ones. He learned that consistency is boring, repetitive, and unfairly powerful. Anyone can go hard for a week. Winners show up when nothing changes. Consistency turned effort into momentum, and momentum into identity. Then success asked for confidence. Not loud confidence, not fake bravado, quiet confidence, the kind that says, "I don't need approval to proceed." Ethan had been underestimated his whole life, by others and by himself. Confidence grew the moment he stopped waiting for permission. He started trusting his preparation. Confidence didn't mean he wasn't scared. It meant fear no longer got the final vote. The sixth demand was discipline. This one was ruthless. Discipline meant doing what needed to be done even when emotions were off, even when motivation ghosted him, even when nobody was watching. Ethan learned discipline isn't punishment, it's freedom. Freedom from excuses, freedom from mood-based decisions. Discipline built structure where chaos used to live, and structure created progress when hope felt thin. Then success asked for a positive attitude, and not the fake smiling kind, real positivity, the kind that reframes failure without lying to yourself. Ethan failed a lot. Rejections stacked up, plans collapsed, but he stopped seeing setbacks as signs to quit and started seeing them as instructions. A positive attitude didn't mean pretending things were easy. It meant believing they were worth it anyway. The eighth demand wasn't on any list. Ethan learned it the hard way. Resilience. The ability to take hits and keep moving forward without becoming bitter. Life didn't suddenly get fair when he improved. Sometimes it got harder. But resilience taught him that pain doesn't disqualify you, it trains you. Every time Ethan got knocked down and stood back up, something inside him hardened in the right way. Years later, people called Ethan lucky. They saw the results, but missed the receipts.
They didn't see the nights he doubted himself, the mornings he wanted to quit, the seasons where progress felt imaginary. Success didn't change Ethan, it revealed him. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. Success isn't motivational, it's transactional. It demands payment up front with no guarantees. Hard work, patience, sacrifice, consistency, confidence, discipline, positive attitude, resilience. If you're watching this and wondering if you have what it takes, you're asking the wrong question. The real question is, are you willing to pay the price even when nobody promises you a return? Because success is listening, and it only answers those who keep showing up.